Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy here, Sweet Crypto. And man, we're back out the videos, man. You know what I'm saying? I took a little break. I started up school, so I'm a little bit busy right now. But I'm gonna grind these videos out for y'all. And I'm here to show a super sick project that I personally think will go very well. We're literally just at the beginning of this project. So if you ever wanted to be super new to the project, you're literally at this time. Now, follow the Twitter if you haven't. I don't know how we got 60 followers, but we did somehow. And yeah, but this new project called Fighting Apes, it's literally a brand new project. I met with this dude. Didn't personally meet him face to face, but on social media site Twitter, and I've been messaging him. I was trying to do a project myself, and we were talking about stuff, and I'm not gonna do a project till very later on, but I'm thinking maybe 6 or 7 months, something like that. It's just not right time, obviously, right now, but these projects take a lot of money to do. But this guy started a project, Fighting Apes NFT, has a really cool background behind it. I'm going to show you guys the roadmap and everything. Right now, they don't have a website. They're planning on making one, in the making of one. And they just opened up their Discord. So this is their Twitter. This is their background art. So you can see some of their art right there. I personally say this one's my favorite right here. For sure, 100%. But let's take a look at the Discord. I'm sorry, I'm munching on something. I was sick like last week, so I still got a bad of a cough. So I'm just munching on this thing so I don't cough during the video, so you don't hear me hacking. Anyway, members, there's about 653 members in this channel. Obviously, just starting this channel, there's probably like a couple people, like I'm gonna guess like 10, 15, 20. Okay, well, never mind. There's about like 80 people. They'll say some of these are bots. I would say like 30 people that know about this project only. So I'm gonna guess only 30 people know about this project right now, which is pretty crazy because it's literally just brand new. So why do I think this project is cool? Well, they're the only project that is giving out commissions right now. What do I mean by that? Well, they want to grow a big community within the NFT space that to boost their servers and whatnot, because he doesn't have a whole lot of time, and he thinks for building the biggest community possible is to first start paying people before the mint to get more people in, to get more invites. And I think that's a great idea. I really do think that's a great idea. Especially for, promoters like me. I could actually make a little bit of money off these invites. That's not the point of making this video. You literally can go to their Twitter and join off their official link. You don't even have to click on my link. It will help me out a little bit. But if you go to the commissions, this is how it works. So how does commissions work? We are the first NFT project that is paying commission. How to get paid commission. Invites to Discord, real invites. We have a Discord account checker to see if you're getting real invites, so you can't bot this server, obviously, doing a mass DM or whatever. Not DM, sorry, a mass joiner or whatever, because it will check the times, even if it's delayed. Which, I don't even know how you set up an account checker, but that's smart, because I know a ton of people do that. Promoting. So, example, like making YT videos, tweeting, replying to other projects. But if you're not a YouTuber like me, I don't have any special collab going on with them. Actually, I do. I get whitelisted, but and obviously I'm trying to share the project because the more people that get in the project, the better. Tweeting, so tweet this project, pry with the project on other tweets. You know what I'm saying. 3. Our goal is to create one of the biggest NFT communities. I think every NFT project is that goal. But he really wants that to be his goal, like super duper wants that to be his goal. Because he said that's how you get your project bigger and you can do bigger and better things with the project, which makes a lot of sense. So, what does commission look like? One invite is going to be 25 cents. Now, your minimum invite to cash out is 15 invites. So, once you get 15 invites, you can cash out. Now, 25 cents, it's not a whole lot, but what project are you getting paid per invite? So this is literally the only project that you're actually getting paid per invite. Sorry, I'm literally screaming in the mic right now. But again, if you invite like 30 people, You just have doing stuff. I mean, that's not bad. Like, that's like $6, but still, okay. You get paid $6, or say you invite like 5 people, $1.25. That's not bad, okay? You know what I'm saying? So, minimum 15 invites to cash out. That's like what? That's like $4, $3.50. Oh, just BTC, because all payments will be paid out in BTC. So Bitcoin goes up 10 times. You know what I mean? Like 40, 50, 60, $70, and it's a little bit of cash. So it's better than nothing. You get paid just for invites. So if you only invite a couple people, you know what I'm saying, you get up to the 15 spot. Yeah. Now I did talk to him as well. I don't think he added this at all. So I don't know where it is in here, but he did say that by mint time, it doesn't matter how many invites, or I think it's like 5 or something invites. You can cash out 5 invites, or $1 worth, or something like that. I remember something like that, because if you invite a couple people, like 5 people, and get up to $1, you can cash out, or it's 15. I don't know how he's gonna do that, but maybe $1 minimum at mint date, or after mint date, or something like that. Create a ticket. Talk to us about promoting. I already had messages going on, so I just messaged him. Cash out will be available until mint date is set. So once the mint date is set, then he'll had a cash out form. So he'll post the form, and then you fill out the form and all the work you've done, and then you get paid. Yeah, no one's doing this, so I think this is absolutely dope. Now, what if there's like $300,000, $200,000 worth of commissions to be paid? Well, I'm guessing what's going to happen is they're going to do the mint, take the money from the mint, and pay out the commissions. I'm guessing that's what's going to be happening here. If the mint gets massive, the commissions get massive. He didn't say anything on that, but I'm guessing that's what would happen. I would do that. So I'm guessing that would happen. Roadmap. We are still working on some other ideas for Fighting Apes to make Fighting Apes that much better. That's good. So, phase 1, open Discord, open Twitter. So they already did this. Open website. They have not opened a website yet. Build a community. Starting to do that. Then they're going to pay the commissions. Then they're going to do the mint event. So they're trying to pay the commissions before the mint event. Again, if it gets like super big, I think they'll probably do mint event, then pay commissions. Because that's just a logical thing to do if you owe that much. Phase 2, launch passive income interface for Fighting Apes holders. Many community events. Always love to see that. More community events to tie the community together. Don't let it go loose. And this is where I think this is absolutely dope. Launch swap, fight swap. So if you don't know what a swap is, a DeFi swap is, it's basically like Uniswap or Pancake Swap. It's Pancake Swap. Uniswap is different. It's just a very simple swap. Pancake Swap is what I'm talking about here. If you don't know a Pancake Swap, go to pancakeswap.com, whatever it's called. Like the URL. This is awesome. Fight swap. Love the name. Is this too bit of a stretch? No. I talked to him about fight swap purposely because I'm like, this is dope. And he's done a swap before. So he got into crypto. He done a swap before. It raised millions of dollars. So that's why he's doing an NFT project now. So he wants to launch another one. So he's literally launched a swap before. So yeah, it would make sense for him to launch another one if this becomes a big thing. Roadmap 3, launch Fighting Apes game on mobile. Oh, wait, I lost the first thing. Launch Metaverse Fighting Apes game. Now, he did tell me on this. This is literally insider information. Obviously, he gave me the go to say this. But it will be kind of like a breeding game. Okay, where you breed and then you can fight with your dudes. And there will be a marketplace where you can resell. That's the goal of it. So if it does get to that point, this project will be like a 10 ETH minimum floor, without a doubt. So I'll definitely be holding on for a couple months or a year or whatever, because if that does happen, this project going to be one of the top NFT projects, 100%. Because think about marketplace where your NFTs can breed with other NFTs and you could sell your breed. You just make so much money off that and off the NFT. Launch Fighting Apes game on mobile. Don't know how that would work. Actually, I do. You could just probably sign in on mobile. Build a fork of Tomb Finance for Fighting Ape holders. So Tomb Finance, I was just missed Tomb Finance. It's a DeFi interface, $1 billion interface, and it made people millions. So that's really sick just for the holders. It's like it's passive income. That's basically what it is. Run tons of community events. We love to see that. So that's the roadmap. Roadmap looks absolutely spectacular. You know, we see roadmaps over the top sometimes and they don't get hit. So hopefully these will get hit. FAQs, what's commissioned, how to get whitelisted, all this stuff, how to invite people. We're going to take a look at all of them. How to get whitelisted, reach 10 real invites. We have a Discord account checker. First to reach level 20. Be active in the community. Mods will be handing random whitelist spots for active members, collabs, enter giveaways. So, if you want to get whitelisted for this project, and we're going to quickly go to how to invite, you already know how to do that. If you want to get whitelisted for the project, as you can tell, this is literally a brand new project. So, like, the general chat hasn't even started yet. You know what I'm saying? I'm right here. If you want to get started, go to my Twitter. I'm doing a whitelist giveaway. And there's one person entered. So literally you'll get whitelisted if you enter this. And go hop into the Discord server. You'll get probably, if you literally just like type something here, you'll most likely get whitelisted. Like I'm literally 99% sure you'll get whitelisted. Because as you can see, P2E Plea got whitelisted instantly, and so did this dude Martini. So yeah, go do that if you want to get whitelisted. It's a sick project, I think. Let's take a look at the art real quick. I literally forgot to do that. This is one thing. So they're gonna release new ones. That's freaking dope. I don't know about you guys, but I think that's heck of dope. I'm trying to keep this PG-13. Or not 13, just trying to keep this PG. For my own sake, too. This is some sick art. I'm not even going to cap with you. I've seen some other stuff, too, on the back end stuff. And let me tell you, it's absolutely sick. Okay? You guys don't even understand how dope this stuff is. And everything Ape does well, but, like, this stuff does extremely well on the market. Fighting Apes is not even a thing, and they came up with it, so check the project out. I think it's pretty lit. Have a good day. Links will be in the description down below. Peace out.